MOGU up 120%. This is Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025. Let's see what we have here. The company indicated that it's allocating up to $20 million of its corporate assets into digital assets with a primary focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as related securities and investment products. This move signals a significant shift in the company's treasury strategy, aligning it with a growing trend of publicly traded firms diversifying into crypto as both a hedge against inflation and a potential driver of returns. So let's see now. Yeah, underlying trend on this daily chart is now slightly bullish given what has happened now. Projections are saying downward projection 2.8, intraday high 9.72. What's going on in the markets right now? But I don't think we have enough memory to run what's going on there. So what we have down here is that it's just going to be obvious what you already know. So the stock is showing classic characteristics of a momentum spike that's likely to mean revert. The extreme price pressure momentums on its extreme price pressure momentum readings on its 10, 21, 40, and 200-day moving averages, and massive gap above all moving averages suggest a high probability of a correction. Conservative traders should wait for better risk slash reward entries, while aggressive traders might consider small short positions with tight stops. So let's see what the setups are. Do we have trade setups here? Let's see. Yeah, we do have. Okay, the first is short term setup 1 to 5 days. Strategies, momentum fade slash mean reversion. Entry short position on any bounce toward that 6.5 to $6.7. What do we have? Okay, it hasn't gone there yet. So if it gets there, that's something you might try to do. Stop loss will be $7.2. If it's not working, then you can exit 7.2. This is not a recommendation that you should do so. Okay, so probability of $5 target is 75%. $4 target is 45%. Let's see what we have here. So it's just a slight premium to some of those projects, some of those these two targets. So risk reward 1 to 2.5 to fresh target. Position size conservative, high volatility environment. Rationale extreme price pressure momentum reading suggests momentum exhaustion. 137% single day gain is statistically unsustainable. Volume spike often marks short term tops. Okay, long term setup. This will be 2 to 8 weeks. Strategy range trading slash volume accumulation. Phase one, correction phase, weeks 1 to 3, probability of decline to 2.5 to $3.5 range is 80%. Wait for price to return near daily market grid levels. Okay. Accumulation phase, 3 to 6 weeks. Begin accumulating between 2.4 to $2.8. Average down if price reaches 2.29. Stop loss $2. Phase three, recovery phase. Target $4. Probability is 70%. Target is $5.5. Second target is $5.5. 45% probability. And target three will be $7. Probability is at 2.25. Sorry, probability is at 25%. So what is it saying here? Okay. If it declines to $2.5 to $3.5 level, okay. So risk factors and considerations: high probability scenario, 70% plus, mean reversion to 2.5 to $3.5 range within 30 days. retest of $5.02 within 3.5 days. Let's see where it is right now. $5.3. And then volatility contraction after current spike. Medium probability scenario 46 to 42, 60%. Continuation above $7 if volume sustains. Consolidation in $4 to $6 range for 2 to 3 weeks. Gap fill back to previous resistance levels. Okay, low probability scenario less than 40%. Immediate continuation above $8. The red collapse below $3 without consolidation. Sustained at trading above current levels. So key monitoring points: volume patterns. Decline in volume would confirm momentum exhaustion. Price pressure momentum readings. Watch for price pressure momentum 1 to drop below $2. Let's see what we have there. So this one here, it's saying watch for it to drop below $2. Let's see. Sorry, so not $2, below 2. It's currently at 11.94, extremely bullish. Yeah, okay. Watch for price pressure momentum 1 to drop below 2 for trend change. How does market grid interactions? Okay, so we have already seen all of these conclusions there. So yeah, what else do we need to know? Speculative. This is quite speculative. Underlying trend, just slightly bullish now. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. It will be a lot more amplified. Four-hour chart amplified. Yeah, nothing really up to the upside. 3.15 is a downward projection. I don't think we'll be able to see what the let's see what the market is saying here in terms of yeah, it looks quite active. Intraday high 9.72. Let's see whether people are expecting it to, yeah, 5.35. People are expecting it 5.49. Yeah, I think that's okay. $6, 6.01. 6.24 there. 6.6, 6.65. People are really expecting it to bounce, to retest these highs. Okay, so yeah, just have a look and see what you make of MOGU, and thank you very much for watching this video.